Hey, welcome back. My name is Dino. This video is on After Babel, Repairing Democracy. It looks at some reforms to repairing democracy and those raised by Jonathan Haidt and his article After Babel, and about how social media has caused division and chaos online. First, reform social media. Reforms should limit the platform's amplification of the aggressive fringes while giving more voice to what More in Common, a organization, calls the exhausted majority. From this, we want to detoxify platform fringes and have more mainstream communication. However, as anyone who knows these days and follows any type of commentary online about the media, this will lead to a great degree of free speech issues as well as political implications that come from that, because that will become quite polarizing. Prepare our youth. Unsupervised free play is nature's way of teaching young mammals the skills they'll need as adults. The ability to cooperate, make and enforce rules, compromise, adjudicate conflicts, and accept defeat. All good. The economist Stephen Horowitz argued that free play prepares children for the art of association that Alexis de Tocqueville said was a key to the vibrancy of American democracy. He also argued that its loss posed a serious threat to liberal societies. I'm sure de Tocqueville would be quite upset seeing what he would see right now. From this, we should try to socialize our youth in the physical, offline social world. Move them away from so much online communication. Finally, harden democratic institutions. A quick overview for this. Reform should reduce the outsized influence of angry extremists and make legislators more responsive to the average voter in the district. This would mimic the earlier suggested social media reforms from earlier in this video. As well, it echoes that one where we should prioritize the average citizen in the way that they behave online. The two reforms that Haidt suggests. This is the first one. We want to end closed party primaries, replacing them with the single nonpartisan open primary, from which the top several candidates advance to a general election that also uses ranked choice voting. In short, we want to open up the primary process, make it more transparent, make it less overtly political and divisive. And secondly, reduce the power of either political party to game the system in its favor, for example, by drawing its elected electoral districts or selecting the officials who will supervise elections. From this, we want to reform district gerrymandering, and you can look up that term. It's basically redistricting and changing borders to favor a political party. That was a video about Jonathan Haidt's article After Babel and the idea of repairing democracy. My name is Dino. Please feel free to like this video. Please feel free to comment on any of the three reforms on social media, preparing our youth or hardening democratic institutions. Finally, please feel free to subscribe to this channel if you like this type of content. As always, thanks for watching.